emotions are acidified. All of you, if it's nothing in us free, stop me